Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel. This is day 88. I'm a day late on day 88. I apologize. I got really tired yesterday and I did not upload this video. I didn't make it. But I forgive myself and I'm recommitting myself to the goal of making this every single day. So day 88, which was a Saturday, the 26th of November, did 45 minutes of exercise. That included a 5-minute jog. Then I did ACA sales all day. I had a coaching session with Jeffrey Combs for an hour. And then I worked on book buying, and then I also did a little bit of Remote Wellness Academy lessons. So that was day 88. A lot of book buying. I'm buying more books because now we're going into the time when books are cheap. Because in January is textbook season. As soon as the holidays are over with, people are going to start going back to school, and the January is the biggest textbook season. The other textbook season being in August, but January is especially big because people are all tapped out after the holidays. After the holidays, people don't have any more cash, and students are going back to school, and that's when there's a huge demand for used textbooks. And you buy the textbooks when nobody's thinking about buying textbooks, which is now. People are more focused on holiday shopping, and they're not thinking of school. Schools are wrapping it up for the year before the holiday break. So the new classes start, right after the holidays. So this is the time to buy. So I'm working to buy more books now and be ready for that textbook season. So, and then also working on the Remote Wellness Academy. So that was it. And then of course ACA sales it's open season, so it's just been a real busy, really busy time. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk again soon.